In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn a voice recording into a full song using style tags. To get started, tap Upload Audio and choose a clear voice recording from your device. This first part is important because the quality of the recording will affect how well the song turns out. Try to use a clip where the voice is easy to hear, with minimal background noise, echo, or interruptions. A clean vocal gives the tool a stronger foundation to work with, which usually leads to better musical results. Once your audio is uploaded, listen back briefly if needed to make sure you selected the right clip. If the recording sounds too messy or unclear, it's worth replacing it before moving on. Even if the app can process imperfect audio, a clearer file will usually create a more polished final result. After that, tap Extend on the uploaded clip. This tells the tool to build on the audio you've provided and develop it further into a more complete musical piece. Think of this as the step where your original recording becomes the starting point for a fuller arrangement. Depending on the platform, this may take a moment, so give it a little time to process. Next, add musical style tags to guide the sound you want. For example, you might enter something like pop rock synth rhythm. These tags help shape the genre, energy, and overall vibe of the generated song. The more intentional you are with the style description, the more likely the output will match what you have in mind. Keep your tags focused and easy to understand, especially if you want a specific mood or production style. Once your tags are in place, generate the song. At this stage, the app will combine your uploaded voice clip, the extension feature, and your selected style direction to create a musical version based on your input. This is where everything comes together. When the song is ready, take a moment to listen all the way through. Pay attention to whether the musical style fits the voice recording and whether the rhythm and mood match your expectations.